Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick 5-minute ab workout. It's going to help fire up your core, and it's a great series to incorporate during the holidays. It's quick and easy. There's no excuses. So we're going to do 8 exercises for 30 seconds each with a 10-second rest in between each exercise. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started on our mats. Exercise number 1, reverse bird dog. Start off by laying flat on your back. You want your legs straight up and your arms straight up towards the sky. You're going to lower your opposite arm and opposite leg down towards your mat, trying to keep your lower back glued to your mat, alternating each time. Exhale as you lower and inhale as you lift. Exercise number 2, butterfly crunch. Lying on your back, bring the bottoms of the feet together and release into a supine bound angle position with your arms behind your head. You're going to lift the feet and shoulders off the mat together. Try not to bring the knees together, really using the lower abs. And again, glue that lower back to the mat the whole time. Exercise number 3, reverse crunch. Lie on your back and lift the legs up vertically towards the sky. You can keep the hands under your hips for this one. You're going to lift the hips up as high as you can and then lower down, and continue lifting up without resting the hips down on the mat for too long in between each lift. Exercise number 4, heel taps. Lie on your back with your knees bent and heels close to your sitting bones. Keeping your arms by your side and shoulders lifted off your mat, begin tapping your heels, alternating with each tap, targeting not only the abs but your obliques as well. Exercise number 5, straight leg crunch. Lie on your back with your legs extended vertically. Begin performing a few crunch pulses, maybe about 5. Lower back down onto your mat and repeat the same number of pulses with each crunch. Reach for the toes, shoulders lifted off of the mat, and your lower back glued to the floor. Exercise number 6, plank swing. Start off in a plank position, feet about as wide as your mat, shoulders over your wrists, and begin rotating the arms forward one at a time, trying to keep both hips squared towards the mat. Exercise number 7, hip dips. Start off in a forearm plank position. Drop the hips towards one side, dip down, then lift back to center, and drop on the other side. Try to stay on the balls of your feet and keep the shoulders in line with your elbows the whole time. Exercise number 8, plank jacks. Start off in a plank position, pushing into your mat with your hands, and again, shoulders over the wrists. Begin jumping the feet towards the outer edges of your mat and back together, just like you would with standing jumping jacks.